Okay, congratulations. You've logged on to Edmodo for the first time. I'm going to show you a few things that you can do with Edmodo, and then I'll let you browse after that. So after you have logged on, you should see a page that looks like this. Your name should be up here, first and last name. For the purpose of showing you this, I'm using a pretend student account, and her name is Student. I want you to just notice a couple of things when you first open it. On the right-hand side, you see something called Profile and something else called Account. We're going to be working with those right away. You also see along the top a search button. This is how you can search for to find me, to find other students, to find things that you're interested in, as well as find assignments and quizzes of the like. Over here is your home button. When you click on this button, um, your screen will come back to this main screen. So this is a really handy button to know if you're lost or don't know where to get back to where you started. Simply just click on the house in the upper left-hand corner and it should bring you back to the home screen. Next to the house is the planner button. This is just a calendar that your assignments will show up in. Also, you can add assignments if you'd like. The one button next to it is progress. This is where you'll find your grades. Anytime you get a grade from me, your information will be under this button. And the next one is apps. This is a new feature that Edmodo recently added, and it gives you access to apps and to connect to your phone if you have a phone, an iPhone or an Android. More on that later. Okay, so let's go over to where it says account. And you're going to go ahead and click on account, and there's a drop down box that happens. You don't want to log out, but this is something you'll do at the very end of your session today, the end of class. The help button is good if you need any advice or help from Edmodo, and settings is what we're going to go to first. So go ahead and click on settings. When you do, you're going to see a couple of things across the top here. This first one says account, and it's highlighted, which means that this is what the account is showing. You're going to choose a file or choose one of these pictures here. These are pictures of that Edmodo has already uploaded for you, so you can choose one of these. I've chosen to upload a file, and we're going to do more on that later as well. So don't feel like you have to choose a file, but if you know how to do it, that's fine. Down here, you have personal information. If you want to add an email for alerts, I'll show you what you do there in a minute. And then up here, the second one over says email and text updates. This is how you're going to notify yourself if you'd like to send a text message about alerts, quizzes, notes, direct messages, assignments, or replies that you receive. So when you receive one of those, you'll have a ding or an alert on your phone, so you'll be able to go right to it. Type in your phone number there. We have text message, and then your phone provider. Say you have AT&T or Metro PCS or Verizon. Okay, you click that there. And then save notifications. It's really important that you save on all the things that we do so you don't lose your progress. And the third one we're going to look at is password. If you want to change your password, since I started you all out on welcome, you're welcome to change your password to something else that you'll remember or something that you're more comfortable with so other people cannot access your account. So that's all what we'll do today in there. And then up here in the upper right hand corner again, we're going to go to profile. And I want you to kind of look around profile and see what you find. At the top, you'll notice this bar here that says something about completeness in your profile. Down here on the About tab, that's highlighted right here, it gives you some options. Badges are things you can earn from me. So far, the student has earned 3 badges, 1, 2, 3. You can see your classmates here. This student doesn't have any classmates yet. You can pick a favorite quote here. You just click on this or click on edit. You can choose how you like to learn. This is what I like to call learner style. Same thing, click on that or edit. And then career goal. Same thing, click on that heading or click on the edit. I'm going to go ahead and scroll back up. And I don't know where to go, so I'm going to again go up to the home key, the home button, and click that. Last things I want to show you are the actual posts that you'll see in the middle of the screen here. You'll see the first one you should see is something from me. Again, it might look different, but it'll look something like this. Here's a picture of me. This shows you that this post is from me. It's also going to say Mrs. Banks to computers class. And since this student is in the computers class, she's going to receive these. This is the first assignment that I receive. You'll see that the title is right here, the assignment. The button to click to turn it in is right here. The due date is right at the top there. And then you'll see different words down here within the body of the message. A lot of times I'll have a message that's too long for you to see just the snippet version of it. So what you need to do is go down to where it says show full post, click on that, and it'll open up the whole assignment to show you the whole thing. I want you to notice in the assignment that you have benchmarks, which means what you are expected to know by the end of this lesson. You have directions from me, 1, 2, 4. I obviously misspelled that, but you get the idea. You'll have a grading rubric from me. This is the total points you can earn. And then you can earn 5 points for these two different things. Your grading rubric will look different depending on what the assignment is, but it'll look something like this. The last piece of words I want you to look at is when you have completed your assignment. I try to always put this in here so you know what to do when you are finished. Scrolling down on the same assignment, here I've put a web page in, so you can click on that. It's a link to another page. If I clicked on that, it would take me to a whole different page. I'm going to go ahead and close that. This is a document. If I click on that, I'm able to open the document as well. And there's my document. Okay. Lastly, a quiz. You will take the quiz for the first day. A quiz looks like this. It says the title here, and it has a button, same as when you turned an assignment in. It has a button, but it says take quiz, and you click on it and follow the directions. Pretty simple. So as Mr. Edmodo says, scroll down here, welcome to Edmodo. Good luck.